Nothing wrong. I don't know what I said.
Nothing wrong.
It's okay? No, it's okay? Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
It's okay.
It's okay, yeah, yeah. It's okay? Yeah.
Brandon, go check the house number. What's the house number here?
No one told you guys that you were allowed in my house. I don't know my number. You came in my house. You pushed me.
Hey, se pega, my wife. Se pega, my wife. No, it's okay. It's okay. Hey, 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 what's going on? Hey, what's going on? What's going on? Hey, what's going on?
Come on, come on, come on.
What's going on?
All right.
Okay? Okay? You okay?
Don't push her.
You okay?
87 years old.
No, you okay? No, you okay? No, step back. You okay? Yeah. Yes, okay? Yeah. Yeah.
What's going on?
Yeah. What's going on? Yeah.
I don't want no problem.
Okay?
I'm not going.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
And I said, you cannot come into my house.
Yeah.
And push a pregnant fucking woman.
See, yeah.
Here's our supervisor. You can talk to him. This is our supervisor right here. You can talk to him.
He pushed me. I tapped myself into the couch.
Okay.
Okay, what?
Ese con what? Ese Magüey Peine. Magüey Peine, Magüey. Ese what? Magüey Peine.
I was going down.
Magüey Peine. Magüey Peine. What's it what?
He pushed me.
Ese what? Ese what?
Calma. Okay.
Ese what?
Cálmate. Dame, yo con lo tuyo.
Hombre, pues vas a irse para el hijo, coño. Está loco, coño. Mamá huevo, coño. Está loco, coño.
He just came into the house and then pushed me, and I fell on the couch.
Coño.
That cop, the other cop pushed me. Alisa.
No, I saw what happened from out there. I understand. Here's what I'm telling you from me to you, okay? Okay, I don't know if you just have bad feelings towards cops or what's going on, but
I was going to go see what's going on.
here's what